In this video, we'll show you how to terminate Category 6A screen mini field installation plugs with Excel's Category 6A U FTP cable. You'll need a peg-style cable stripper and multi-purpose side cutters. Slide the nut down the cable. Strip about 40mm off the cable jacket using the cable stripper. Score the sheath, bend to break it, and remove the jacket. Using the side cutters, remove the outer layer of foil from each of the wires. Position the drain wire towards the back of the cable. Put the wires through the wire manager, keeping the end of the cable jacket about 4mm from the rear of the cap. Untwist the pairs and arrange the wires in accordance with the wiring colour code. Using side cutters, trim the excess wire that protrudes beyond the wire manager. Assemble the wire manager onto the plug, then press the cover to engage it with the plug's base housing, using pliers if needed. Wrap the drain wire around the base of the plug, slide the nut towards the plug and screw to tighten.